kilometer espada. So mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng binili ko sa Ace Hardware na UV light siya, pang UV-C Ultraviolet Germicidal Light. So nakakapatay siya ng mga germs at kung ano-ano pa. Ultraviolet plus ozone feature. Whatever that means, we will find out later. So buksan na muna natin siya, mga ka-journey. Okay, so buksan na natin siya ngayon, mga ka-journey. Binili ko siya, by the way, sa Ace Hardware ng 3,999.75. Kasi pag yung humidifier, pag humid na siya, parang napabahuan ako pagka pag unang bukas ng aircon, nababahuan ako. So parang kailangan na siyang i-disinfect yung buong kwarto. Tapos lately kasi bumalik na yung mga alaga natin, si Kaybiang at saka si Rebecca. Kaya may mga dalang alaga si Becca. Yung mga binti namin puro nakagat. Diyos me, pardon. Perdonami. So, eto siya, mga ka-journey. Somebody help me! Help! Kung kakalinis lang ng kuko natin, magkakandagalos-galos. Ayan o. Yun, no? At syempre, eto yun. Ito yung kanyang warranty, so pwede natin siyang ibalik. Huwag naman sanang may karoon ng diferensya, pero syempre, let's do this! Dolby system. So, eto siya. So, meron siyang remote control. May battery ng kasama. That's nice. So, dapat gentle pala tayo dito kasi meron siyang, eto yung pinaka-bulb. May nakalagay siyang caution. Remove tag before use. UV-C germicidal light. No humans, pets, and plants should be in the same room when UV-C germicidal light is in operation. Cover paintings and photos to avoid color fading. Ventilate room for at least 30 minutes after operation. Do not lose the remove control if you have more than one unit. Label its remote control properly. Refer to user manual for proper usage. LANDLITE Philippines Corporation shall not be held liable for improper use of the product. So, medyo sensitive siya, mga ka-journey. So, let's follow yung instruction na sinasabi niya. So, kaya sa remote control, meron siyang 3 minutes na mag-o-open siya. No, 3 minutes for you to leave the room and paandarin mo siya at kailangan isara mo na siya kaagad. Hindi naman siya kaagad mag-open, may 3 minutes ka to go out of your room. So, etong light na to, syempre, isasaksak natin yung power, yung switch niya. Meron ka dapat adapter kasi tatlo. Meron na naman. Pero usually, binabali ko lang to. Yung sa laptop ko, binali ko dati. Wala naman, okay lang naman siya. I don't know, pero ground yan sabi nila eh. So, little later on, gagamitin natin siya. And the rest will be history. So, titingnan ko if makakabawas siya dun sa mga, may mga makakati kasi sa room lately nung bumalik na yung mga pets natin. Pero pinapaliguan naman sila ni Tyke parehas. Pero andun pa kasi hindi pa nauubos lahat. So kailangan, minsan kasi pinipet nila nandun sa room. So kailangan natin silang paalisin yung mga alaga na yun. Dahil na ang dami na namin peklat. Ang pangit, nagmamarka pa naman kulay itim. So mga ka-journey, ito na yung ating UV light na germicidal, pang alis siya. Meron siya ditong on and off. At meron din siya ditong nakalagay na 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. Depende dun sa laki ng room na i-disinfect mo. So, ito yung kanyang manual. Product Specification Manual. So, yung room area mo kung 10 square meters, ang lamp powered ay 36 watts. Suggested time sa kanya ay 15 minutes. So, kung maliit lang naman yung room mo, okay na yung 15 minutes. Pag 20 square meters, 30 minutes. Kapag ka 40 square meters, ang laki ng size ng room mo is 60 minutes. And maybe, pagka ang maximum room size capacity is 40 square meters. So, for object disinfection, put the object within 1 meter range and set timer for 15 minutes. So, kung object siya. So, dito muna tayo sa information on the uses of the UV-C portable sterilizer lamp. It kills 99.99% mga ka-journey na bacteria, viruses, at saka mold. Ito yung mga mildew, yung mga namumuong. Diba kasi minsan pag malamig, tapos mainit, malamig, nagkakaroon ng mga molds and mildew, at saka bacteria and viruses na nagiging active dun sa room. So, this is also an air purifier. So, maganda siya. Ano nga bang tatak nito? Ang tatak nito ay ayun, LANDLITE ang tatak niya. LANDLITE Lighting Solutions. So, ano pa yung ibang features niya? Number 2, it works by sterilizing organisms. When organisms no longer reproduce, they die. Ayun. Number 3, it does not produce heat. Okay? So, hindi siya nag-iinit. Number 4, the ozone feature helps transport the UV-C light to shaded surfaces that cannot easily be reached in between spaces. So, kahit yung pinakamaliit o sulok-sulukan ay kaya niyang abutin kasi nga light siya. May ozone. Yun yung tinatawag niyang ozone feature. So, in between spaces, kaya niyang ma-penetrate. So, walang ligtas. Number 5, UV-C light cannot penetrate objects. Example, tools that need to be sterilized must be exposed to the light and not inside a toolbox. So, kung meron kang bagay na gusto mong ma-disinfect, kailangan maabot siya ng light nito. Number 6, frequency of the use of lamp depends on how much it is needed. Hospital rooms need to be disinfected more than house bedroom. Okay, so sa house lang naman tayo, sa pang bedroom lang naman. Precautions. Do not stay in the same room when the UV-C light is in operation. The UV-C's effect on humans can cause temporary painful burns to the skin with prolonged and direct exposure. So, hindi tayo pwedeng nasa loob kasi kasama na ng mga halaman at mga may buhay na bagay. Okay? The long-term risk for the large cumulative exposure includes premature aging of the skin and skin cancer. Oh my God, wag naman. It can also cause injury to the cornea. Oh, sa mata din. Also known as Wilder's eye. Oh. If looked at directly for a long period of time, this can easily be avoided by staying out of the room while sanitation is in progress. So talagang lalabas ka talaga. So paulit-ulit nilang sinasabi. So that's how important it is. Let's follow instructions. This is a precaution. Number 2, animals should not be in the same room as the UV light while sanitation is in progress. Number 3, plant life may be damaged by direct or reflected exposure. It is better to remove them before using the lamp. Okay, understood na yun. Number 4, cover paintings and photos to avoid color fading. Number 5, do not lose the remote control. For safety purpose, each unit is paired with a uniquely programmed remote control. Ensure to store properly and maintain in good condition. Number 6, to ensure maximum performance of the lamp, clean it once dusty. Use dry cotton cloth to wipe the lamp and the casing. Number 7, during maintenance, power plug must be unplugged from power source. Of course, ba't mo na magsisindihan? Maglilinis ka. Number 8, store in dry and well-ventilated place without corrosive substances. What are those corrosive substances? Bleach. Katulad ng sunrocks, ganyan. Now, how to operate? Ensure the room will not be used for at least an hour. Depends on the number of minutes you will operate the unit prior to disinfection and sterilization. Okay, so isang oras. Huwag mong gagamitin after mo siyang i-expose. Reason: disinfection period of a room or space may last from 15, 30, or 60 minutes depending upon dun sa sizes na nabanggit ko na kanina. Na 10 square meters, 15 minutes, 20 square meters, 30 minutes, 40 square meters, 60 minutes. Now, number 2, connect the plug to a socket. Press the on or off button of the unit to turn it on. The power indicator in the unit will flash 4 times and a buzzer sound will indicate the unit is on standby mode already. A. Manual mode operation. Set the timer based on the size of the room. There will be a buzzing sound again and the red power and green timer indicators will flash. Press the on or off button again. There will be 2 buzzing sounds and the red power and green indicators will remain lit. Leave the room immediately. The unit will start disinfection process in 10 seconds. So, hindi siya 3 minutes. Pero sinabi sa akin nung seller, 3 minutes daw. 10 seconds lang pala. Loko yun. It is advisable to put a signage on the door to warn others not to enter the room. Indicate the time you started operating the unit. After the disinfection process, the unit will buzz for 3 times. The lamp will turn off and return to standby mode. B. Remote control mode operation naman. Kanina manual yun. Now, it's remote control mode operation. So, place the unit in the room while the distance of the remote to the unit is within range. Range of the remote control to the unit is 30 meters maximum. Press the on and off button on the remote control to turn it on. The power indicator in the unit will flash 4 times and the buzzer sound will indicate the unit is on standby mode already. So that's about it, ladies and gentlemen, mga ka-journey ko. If you want to buy the product, it's available in Ace Hardware. Meron sila ngayong promo dun. You will earn points, ganyan. Now, this is the handle. And this is the tube. This one. The on and off key. Power button. The timing key. Ito yun. 15, 30, and 60 minutes. Okay, this is the lamp base. Now, this is the remote control. You have to troubleshoot the remote. Check that the battery is working. Make sure that the unit is plugged in. Press the time button on the unit for 2 seconds. The red LED indicator in the unit will flash and the unit will buzz while pairing. Press any button on the remote within 10 seconds to confirm the pairing. Set the timer based on the size of the room on the remote control. There will be a buzzing sound again and the red power and green timer indicators will flash. Leave the room and close the door. Press the on and off button on the remote. There will be 2 buzzing sounds and the lamp will turn on after 10 seconds to start disinfection process. So, it is advisable to put a signage on the door. Huwag kakalimutan, gumawa ka ng sticker note. Stick mo sa iyong door para malaman kung pwede nang pumasok or something. I mean, it is ongoing or nangyayari o nagaganap yung pagdi-disinfect. So, syempre, ipaalam mo sa lahat ng tao sa loob ng bahay that you need that they need to be aware that the room is being disinfected, and so it is not, nobody is allowed to get inside the room. Okay, yun lang mga ka-journey. And bibigyan ko lang ng feedback once na nagamit ko na ito, kasi hindi natin pwede syempre i-film yung bawal nga yung masusunog yung mata natin at saka skin. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will be doing some more of the unboxing and howling na ginawa natin naman sa Miniso, and may mga makeup tayo doon and something more. Okay, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order for you to get notified every time that we have a new video. Babush! Stay happy. Happiness is a choice. Bye!